Nobody believed a car like this could just disappear. But deep in the forest, something was waiting. Rusted, forgotten, buried in silence, this is where the story begins. Dragging it out was only the first wall. Every mile on that flatbed felt like a promise. Before we could fix it, we had to face it all. What we found was worse than anyone expected. Every scratch, every rust hole told a story. Then we tore it completely apart. Every bolt, every panel, every wire. This is where most people walk away. We didn't. One wrong cut, one wrong weld, and it's over, but in the right hands, ruined metal becomes art. Rust gone. Body perfected, now every inch had to be flawless. Because gold chrome doesn't forgive mistakes. Workshop went dead silent, every spray pass had to be perfect. gold chrome isn't a color, it's a statement, body done. Now the heart. This engine had been dead for years. We brought it back to life. Outside transformed. Inside reborn, every detail hand fitted. Presidential. Trump edition, new suspension, new brakes. New wheels, months of hell led to this moment, final wash, soap stripping the past, from a forgotten wreck in the woods, to this gold chrome BMW M8 Grand Coupe, Trump edition, fully alive. Some cars don't get restored. They get resurrected